Hello everyone and welcome again to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I know I haven't been posting for a lot of time, but here we go, we are back. So some people right now, including myself, cannot use Discord due to connection issues, and in today's topic we're gonna discuss some possible solutions to this issue. First of all, let me show you the issue. So basically when you open this Discord, you're stuck on connecting. You never connect, it's just like stuck there, okay? You also can't connect to voice chat. There are like many possible causes for this. One of them is maybe your DNS is your current DNS have some issues connecting to Discord. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna change our current DNS to one that does not have issues, which is Cloudflare's. It's also one of the fastest DNS services out there. I'm gonna leave a link in the description in case you want to read more about Cloudflare's services. Anyway, so if you're using data connection just like I am, you can't change the DNS from the settings. Apple didn't add that for some reason. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can definitely change it from settings, but for this video we're gonna use the app. Open the App Store, search for 1.1.1.1 and choose the first app and install it. Once you install them, open the app, press next, press accept, and then press install VPN profile. And the VPN profile is basically the DNS profile where you connect to their DNS, okay? So press it and then press allow and then enter your password. You can choose to allow notification or not, it doesn't matter, okay? So now we're done with the setup and we're ready to connect to the DNS. Just to make sure, right now we're having an issue. The connecting is not, the Discord is just stuck on connecting. So we open the app, we press connect, wait until it says connected, and then we're good to go. We're ready right now. So let's open the Discord again, and here we go. We just got connected and we fixed the problem. Keep in mind that you might have other connection issues and it might not be your DNS that is the problem. So in this case, I'm gonna make other videos in the future addressing that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments and do not forget to like and subscribe.